Welcome to Drumming with Josh. I'm Josh, and in this video, we're going to talk about strokes. There are 4 basic strokes used when drumming. The downstroke, the tap, the upstroke, and the full stroke. Understanding these basic strokes will improve your control, speed, and accuracy. Let's break them down, starting with the downstroke. The downstroke begins high and ends low. Try to keep the tip of the stick within 1 inch of the pad after impact. The tap begins low and ends low. This is a very subtle stroke. Don't expect too much volume from this one. Now the upstroke begins low and ends high. Don't expect much volume from this one either. Try doing this one without moving too much at the elbow. Now, somewhat combining the other 3, the full stroke begins and ends at the same height. This can be a nice loud stroke. Again, try to do this one without moving too much at the elbow. Practice each of these slowly. And intentionally. This is how we build up our muscle memory. The goal is to do these until they feel easy and natural. Now that you understand these strokes, join me for a guided practice session. You'll find a link at the end of this video. Thanks again for watching, and if you like this content, or even if you don't, let me know in the comments below. Till next time.